Hello Excel enthusiast, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about the formulas we can use in Excel which makes our task very easy and gives us very accurate results. So here I am having data of students of their marks in a particular subject. So let me first select the border so it looks more convenient. So if I want to know the total number of marks of all the 10 childrens in English subject, in maths, or in any particular subject. So how, like, I cannot manually uh, select each cell to get the sum of all the numbers. So to get it in a more easy way, we have a formula named sum, through which we just have to select all the cells, close the bracket and press enter. This is how, and by pressing Ctrl R, I will get the sum of all the subjects in a second. And similarly, if I want to know the maximum marks among the 10 students in a particular subject, for say English, maths, so this is a small data of 10 students. Otherwise, practically we have a huge data of 50 students or 70 students. So it is not possible to manually go through the data and select a particular number, the highest number. So what we can do is we will apply here a formula max, select the range of the numbers of the 10 students, close the bracket, press enter. So here we can see that I got the data that the maximum marks that 10 children have got in English is 98, which is Abhimanyu. And by pressing Ctrl R, I will get the maximum marks of each of the subjects. And similarly, if I want to know the minimum marks in each subject among the 10 children, so I will apply the formula min, press enter, and this is how I got the details of marks. Now if I want to know the average of marks of each particular student, so what I will do, I will apply the formula average, select the range of numbers, close the bracket and press enter, Control D. So this is how you can use the formulas in Excel to fasten your work, and you can complete your data in very less time. So if you like a video, follow Excel app to excel such skills. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.